I'm back with it. Peace and blessings here for another Thread Beast unboxing. Just picked this up today. Thank everybody for watching and those who support me. I appreciate it. This is all just new to me, so I'm just sharing a little bit, and the channel will evolve when I start getting more consistent, start learning about what you guys want to see and getting some more feedback. But I appreciate everything. I appreciate all the attention and all the blessings and all the kind words. Peace. Now let's get into it. So yeah, I picked this up today, and can't lie, I have a business mailbox, so it doesn't get sent straight to my home. I go and pick it up, and I had the thought of just opening it straight on top, but then I was like, nah, let me open it up for YouTube. So here I am. So I say all that to say the seal is already busted because I tore it open, as you can see, but I didn't go through it. So it's still fresh for everybody. Here we go. This time, I'm thinking about trying it on for you guys so you can see what it is, what it looks like. So let's get to it. Has some diamond slots. Size 12. It's pretty decent, blue and black. They seem comfortable, soft. I could wear these straight up. Got a Thread Beast sticker. Cool if you want to stick it on a laptop or whatever the case may be. This right here. Blacksville, something. I don't know. Maybe y'all could tell me what it is. Maybe how to pronounce that. Let's see. My bad, y'all. I don't know. Maybe y'all know. It's straight though. It's hot today though, y'all. I'm talking about blazing in the 90s. So they sent me this black tea, but you know what it is. And I got back with Thread Beast on the last box. If you've seen the last video and remember, I said some things could probably be too small. I didn't try it on for the video, but when I tried them on, they were too small. The baseball cap and I think a pair of jeans maybe. It was like no, the baseball cap was too small and a t-shirt had a rip in it. They said they were going to compensate me with some merchandise in this box. So, and this box looks small, y'all. I'll tell you the truth, because I get the premium package and it's usually in the black box. This came in a turquoise box, so it's kind of throwing me off. So far, we got 2 items. Some jeans. What size are these? These 36s. Some staple jeans. It's kind of hot. I need some jeans, but it's kind of hot. I really need some shorts. Feel me? Staple. Got some nice little, details. Feel me? It say bonus item, so I don't know. My bad, y'all. Standing up. That's item 3. Has some socks. Never got them like this before outside the wrap before. No tag or anything, just no shows, yellow and black. That's item 4. Another black tee. Thank you, skateboards. That's part of it, y'all. May or may not edit it. Thank you, skateboards. Nothing on the back. And I'm kind of going through this quick because when I was looking at my videos and go through my own videos, they seem like they're too long. So I'm trying to, get more efficient and make them a little bit quicker. Maybe you guys don't mind, but it seemed like to me they were kind of too long. This right here is Galileo. It seems like Galileo. just came home, y'all. I'm a barber, so I just came in. It's hot, so I'm trying to cool off right now. But I want to get this done. Pink Dolphin. Pink Dolphin. Remind me of Young Dolphin. LL Young Dolphin. Another black tee. Nothing on the back. Kind of feeling this. Button. I got a button up in the last box also. None of you guys know how this is pronounced. So I'm not even going to try. I'll probably wear that. I'm going to a concert next weekend. Need some player, so if this fit right, I may just wear this. Match it up with something. And lastly, we have a pair of shorts. Nick Graham shorts, what they say. Oh no, these are swim trunks, but you know how it go. Swim trunks could be double the shorts in my book. Yeah, pocket in the back. Feel me? Pockets on the side. Paisley. The slip. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. So I guess that constitutes a premium box. So I think I'm gonna try it on for you guys and see you in a minute. Let's go. So there you have it. My little thread box, thread beach try on haul. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope it was informational. If you guys think about getting thread beats, hope I gave you a little bit more insight into it. What comes in the box, and they're very good about responding to complaints, y'all. I've had a few complaints about damaged goods or goods that were too small and didn't fit, and they responded to me within 24 to 48 hours. They're real good, and they do their best to make it right. So, as always, like I say, leave it up to you to decipher if this box is worth it. $160+ is what I paid for the premium box. but like I said, in the business model, sometimes you're paying for convenience, and I haven't needed to go shopping for a while, which is good for me because I try to keep busy and I don't always have that time I want to set aside to go to the mall or even to shop online and whatnot. So yeah, everything I tried on, of course, the slides were a repeat through every outfit I tried on, and the pants were repeats through most of the outfits. The last one I showed you guys, I had the shorts on. So yeah, so thank you all for visiting me, tuning in to my channel. And I always forget to put my affiliate link or my referral code to ThreadBees in the comments. I'm only hurting myself. So if you guys use my referral code for ThreadBees, I believe I get the free box on the lowest tier, and you guys will get half off or a percentage off. Forgive me for not fully knowing. But yeah, so I remember to put my referral code in this one. And everyone have a blessed day, and I thank you all. Peace.